Let's discuss the IT space right now. Dharmesh ji, how would you assess the current space? You know, there's a lot of expectation that Trump's administration would definitely be a big positive for the Indian IT space right there. Of course, with the dollar getting strengthened, this is another positive for this one. Clients will be loosening their purse strings because the taxes will be lower over there. So, for somebody who has a medium to long-term perspective on the IT space, how should one be really picking and choosing within the entire gamut right now?
I think E and RDS is the space for the IT sector which one should be looking at, and not the vanilla software providers. And the
Okay.
jury is still out whether generative AI will benefit Indian IT companies or not. So that is how Trump is very difficult to predict right now how the tariffs and onshore, offshore, all these things are going to play out. And the wage, I think his administration was the first one to come out to hard on the Indian IT companies in the first place. So let's see how that pans out. But I do think there are multiple choices out there in the mid-cap space in the Indian IT sector, like KPIT Technologies, which is fairly into automobile technology. Looks fairly attractive to me. The earnings were good, but somehow the market did not like it and the stock came down. But at current market price, it looks very attractive to me. And same is the case with Tata Technologies. So these are the two technology based which are primarily into automobile EV space, and they are coming out with new softwares for entire new age automobile drive play as far as that is concerned. So that is one basket which is looking good. And apart from that, one can look at Genser Technology or uh, KPIT. I have already talking about, and Birlasoft. These are the two companies which to look at. I am avoiding all the large caps. I mean, Infosys, TCS, SCL Tech, and Wipro. This is the space which looks fairly overvalued to me. And this is what we are avoiding as a new trade. Those stock prices may see gyrations, but it's not a trending buy to my mind.
Okay, got that. Rudra, how about you? How are you assessing the opportunities within the IT pack? Are there any favorites of yours within either the large or the mid cap space here?
Yes, actually, last time I told you for someone who has a 1 to 2 year kind of a minimum time frame, yes, IT will be the top sector for me at current market price.
Yes.
And definitely, yes, I'm preferring banks also, both private as well as public bank, and especially names there are very important. So for me in IT, last time even I spoke, and the same names I'm repeating, it will be
Sure.
Wipro as well as Tech Mahindra, which is looking very good for me. And one can definitely look at targets of 800 on Wipro, and Tech Mahindra above 2000 zones can come very fast. So Wipro and Tech Mahindra will be my top two picks when it comes to IT as a pack. And overall as a sector, I feel IT also came out with good results last quarter. If you see,